Dry block calibrators, also known as dry wells or heat sources, are designed to be used without fluid. They provide precise, controlled temperatures for the calibration of thermometers, temperature sensors, and other temperature monitoring or measuring instruments. To calibrate an RTD, firstly ensure the probe you're testing is fully immersed into the block assembly. This will give you the most accurate calibration. An important rule of thumb is immersion should be 15 times the probe diameter. This reduces the risk of heat or cold being pulled in or out of the block assembly, affecting your results. If your probe is not long enough to be fully immersed, you can use an external reference probe. This will provide a more accurate reading and account for any immersion effects. During the process, be mindful of common sources of error, such as immersion depth, the fit of the probe in the hole, and the display accuracy of the dry block. Remember, regular maintenance of your dry block is important. Clean your inserts regularly and avoid using thermal grease or paste that can damage the block or inserts. That's it. Follow these steps, and you can effectively calibrate an RTD using a dry block calibrator.